In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Assembly Takeoff tool in Stack. Let's dive right into the process, making sure every step is crystal clear to get you up and running with this tool efficiently. To start, you'll need to head over to the Stack login page. This is where you'll begin your journey into handling takeoffs with ease and precision. Once you're there, look for the option to log in using Google. It's a quick and effortless way to access your account and get straight into the action without fussing over entering a myriad of details. Now that you're logged in, the next step is navigating to your project. This is essential as it sets the stage for your takeoff process. Click on your desired project, and this will lead you to the main workspace where all the magic happens. Once you're in your project, locate the section labeled Plans and Takeoffs and click on it. This will orient you towards the precise area where your plans are detailed and ready for action. When you're ready, click on View to see your plan in full. This full screen view provides you with the complete blueprint on which you will perform your takeoffs, allowing for a comprehensive understanding of the project layout. The next step involves utilizing libraries. You'll need to click on Libraries to access existing items or assemblies within your library. This feature is quite handy as it allows you to create takeoffs directly from an item or an assembly that's already established. Using pre-existing elements can save you time and ensure consistency throughout your measurements. Now select the assembly or item you wish to use as a preset for your measurements. This part of the process is about choosing elements that will act as your baseline, ensuring accurate and standardized measurements. Click on the arrow to make your selection official. Once selected, you'll have the opportunity to edit the details for that particular item or assembly. This step is crucial if any specifics need adjustment according to your current project's demands. After your edits, don't forget to hit Save to preserve these changes. With everything set up, it's time to start measuring right on your plan. This step involves active engagement with your blueprint as you utilize the Assembly Takeoff tool, applying your selected presets in a practical, hands-on manner. After completing your measurements, be sure to click on Finish Measuring. This action will wrap up the process, ensuring that all your inputs are saved and accounted for. Lastly, navigate to the Takeoffs section, and you will find a takeoff created based on your selected assembly or item. Congratulations, you have successfully used the Assembly Takeoff tool in Stack. Remember, practice makes perfect. Take your time to familiarize yourself with each step, and soon you'll be handling takeoffs like a pro. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy measuring.